The Florida panther was another endangered animal that we found at Laurie Park Zoo. The Florida panther lives in dense forest, swamps, just like the areas you would find in Florida. Now, they originally lived throughout Florida in the southeast, but now their habitat is restricted to the southwestern Florida. They can weigh anywhere from 106 pounds to 148 pounds for the males, and the females can weigh anywhere from 65 pounds to 100 pounds. Their length could be anywhere from 6 to 7 feet, and that is measured from the nose to the tail tip. Their height could be anywhere between 24 to 28 inches. The Florida panther can live about 12 years in the wild. The Florida panther is a hunter, so they like to eat deer, wild hogs, raccoons, armadillos, rabbits, birds, alligators are some of the things they like to hunt. An interesting fact from the Zoo Tampa website states Lucy, who is their Florida panther, sometimes will crouch low in a stalk position and she will become invisible, just like she would do if she was hunting, as she waits for the right moment to silently spring to attack an unexpected watermelon that they give her. So these are the same habitats that they would use in the wild to hunt their animals. There is less than 200 Florida panthers living in the wild, which means that they are endangered and they're close to becoming extinct. So we have to figure out how could we help these Florida panthers. And Zoo Tampa will rescue injured and sick panthers and hope to return them back to the wild after they help these endangered species. So now you think of ways, how could we help this Florida panther? And this one is native to where we live.